Hey everyone, welcome back. Withdrawals can be placed on hold for security reasons to protect your funds and accounts. Here's how to fix them. First, check that your account is fully verified. Accounts that aren't fully verified may face too many temporary withdrawal restrictions. Then, confirm that you have enabled the two-factor authentication for withdrawals. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized transactions. Then, remove any recent security changes such as passcode resets, email updates, or change to linked devices. These actions can trigger temporary withdrawal holds. Then, wait for the hold period to complete. Most holds are time based and are automatically lifted once the review is finished. Most withdrawal holds are temporary and are removed automatically after security review. Following the steps above can help ensure your withdrawals proceed smoothly once the hold is lifted. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.